What's that tool for?
Checking muffler bearings.
Welcome back to Jessie's Performance. We are back with another video. We have been uploading so much content lately. It makes me really excited to catch all this stuff and share everything, and we've had so much great feedback, so thanks for watching. This week, we worked on the diesel C10 project some more. It mostly was just JJ working on the cab, doing a bunch of metal work. So I've got a bunch of footage of that, so here we go.
On. All right, take two. What are you doing down there?
Checking the fluctuation of the muffler bearing. I already told you this.
Dang. Well, I'm a slow learner and I don't hear very well, so that makes more sense. All right. Right now, what we're doing to the cab is we're doing rocker panels because those are pretty eaten up, and here we go.
right, y'all, that's it for this week. Make sure you tune in every Sunday at 8:30 to catch our weekly videos, and then we are doing videos throughout the week. So always check back on our channel. You want to ring the little bell that'll notify you when we've got new videos so that you don't miss anything. Like, subscribe, comment, and thanks for watching.